the... Shut up. Oh, so now with the spacer it's okay?
No, it's not.
I am so dirty, my forehead is like black. In today's video we are working on this e36 328i. That's how it should be. And we'll be changing the diff and upgrading the brakes for the car so it performs a lot better on the track. We will install the LSD. What was it? Like 323 LSD and the brakes from 330i E46. I wanted to ask if you have your handbrake on, but we're gonna remove it anyways.
Yeah.
Ah, spacer. Offset. Oh, so now with the spacer it's okay?
No, it's not.
Okay. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna have to turn the wheel again for a second. Yeah. And boom, it's off. So just like that, the old brake is off the car, and I just really want to compare the size of the disc between the old and new one. So let's check it out.
Fuck, I need yours.
Fuck! You know that it happens when I touch my nose? Okay, I think I showed you the difference between old and new setup, so let's now put the new ones in. What am I doing? Oh my god. I forgot about the brake pads. Yeah, they look good. Okay, the brake is on the brake swap on the front is completed. I did my side, Nikita did his side, and yeah, it looks just awesome. Shut up. The brake assembly fits the wheel perfectly. It looks like it should, like it has a stopping power. I will show you that in a second. I forgot to show you everything because I was too excited to put everything back together and see how it looks with the wheel. Yeah, but I'm gonna just take it apart again and show you the caliper and the disc. So we changed the brakes on the front. It's good. It looks amazing. I think it will stop the car a lot better than the old set, the original one. And that's all we were able to do today. Oh yeah, by the way, I didn't talk too much today because my allergy really kicked my ass and I just don't want to talk. So, sorry. So I'm gonna end the episode because I was very late today and that's my fault, but yeah, who cares? Yeah, I think Nikita cares because he would want everything to be done a little bit faster. I'm so dirty, my forehead is like black. Okay, but we are happy with the result. Tomorrow I will come here as well to do other stuff and well, I'll see you in next episode. See ya, bye.